Good morning students. In warm-up video we have seen that how French society was divided into different hierarchy. But let's now start the background of French Revolution. I want to tell you that France was a monarchical government. In France there was a monarchical government and there were three major kings were remarkable, and to understand the French society we have to see these three kings. First, Louis XIV and Louis XV and Louis XV and Louis XVI. Okay, the time period of near about 1643 to 1717 and from 1717 to 1774 and from 1774 to 1793. An event took place during the reign of Louis XVI. When he ascended the throne in 1774 in France, the treasury of France was empty, and France was suffered from a lot of problem. And this section was facing lot of economic and social problem. They revolted against the king Louis XVI. They revolted against monarch. When 14 July 1789. 14 July 1789, people of general state revolted against Louis XVI, and they overthrown and set up a democratic republican monarchy. This happened took place there. First, to understand these all things, let's understand what is revolution. Revolution, it means Kranti. Revolution is the sudden change. Revolution is the sudden change in society against any old regime or old system of society in favor to new system of society. It can be in political arena, it can be in social, and it can be economical sphere. But in France, this was the path breaking event that transformed from monarchical system of government to some small proportion of republic. Okay, how this event took place in France? How? What were the background? And what happened in suddenly in 1789, year of 1789. Okay, let's understand. If you have textbook, you will be find a dispersion of the lectures, but we will study here serial by serial, that from 1789 to next year. But in NCERT textbook, you will find that NCERT is talking here in 1789 before, and then after we'll talk about in 1774. But don't worry, try to understand the video. If you are facing any challenge, you can share me. When Louis XIV was governing in France, he centralized the powers. All the power is centralized in himself and controlled and established absolute monarchy in France. But when Louis XV ascended the throne, he was not able to control, he was not able to handle the centralized power in France. Centralized power, it means that all the powers, it means judiciary, executive and legislature and other type of function of the government will rest in one hand. And absolute centralized, it means no any apart from king have right to do anything. But Louis XV was unable to handle these all the things. And in the year of 1756 to 1763, Louis XV fought a war with England called 7-Year War. And in this 7-year war, Louis XV defeated. And after all, Louis XVI in 1774 ascended the throne of France. When he ascended the throne, the treasury of France was empty. The problem were created very badly in France. Economic condition, economic growth declined in this year. And one thing more, students, during the period of 1717 to 1774, the population increased very. But production of food was very low because this section was facing a lot of problem. They did not able to produce a lot of grains. So in France, there was a tremendous and fragmentation has created here. The people were facing lot of problem. They have not eat to anything. They have not job. In this period, there was a subsistence crisis in France. It means everyone had not job. Everyone had not job. This group had not right to do anything, right to speak against the clergy and nobility. Clergy were the Pope of church and nobility were rich and landlords rich who were closely connected with king. This was the structure of society and the problem of society. When Louis XVI student was in ruling, he tried to solve this type of problem, economic problem, and these are the things. To solve this problem, to handle this problem, they established an institution in French old regime, it means old reign. An institution was working called General State. This was an institution. Work of this institution was for meeting to handle the problem of France. Economic problem, maybe other problems. Louis XVI called the meeting of General State. On 5 May 1789 को 1789 5 May 1789 Louis XVI called a meeting to impose more taxes, to rethink about taxes. We cannot say that impose more taxes on general state. But the problem was there that only one member from each state, only one member of each state were the representative could vote. Only one member of each state could vote. The problem was there, if the clergy and nobility wanted to do anything, the issue up to one, they passed everything. And when Louis XVI called the meeting, they revolted again, that we will not engage in meeting of general state. I want to one member, one vote. There were 600 members from generalist people and 300 from nobility and 300 from clergy. So they demanded that each person have each vote, each their own vote. They did, a king and nobility and clergy did not agree about this. And they moved out from the town hall where the meeting conducted and set up in the place of general state in next institution, that is National Assembly. National Assembly. That was National Assembly. And in next, when they established the National Assembly, in other area of countryside and other part of France, a small group of people started to revolt in regionally, and one day will come when the people broadly revolted against Louis XVI. We will discuss this all the things in new video. This is background and introductory video. Try to understand the structure of society, about general state and about Louis XVI, and how their old regime work and how the meeting of general state were called. Thank you, student.